What? Girl, your slime just
flying everywhere.
flying?
Mine is too. That's why
Where?
it ain't fly, but like it's flew.
So basically, what's up, YouTube?
Flew up.
I think I'm trying to do my intro or whatever, and then y'all just talking over me. But anyway, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today's video is a slime video. But
is this your hair?
name my head.
My hair brown.
That ain't my hair.
Name my head. My hair is wrapped up.
My hair is brown and black.
Well, it's not wrapped up, but it's in a scarf. And my hair don't just fall
my
out.
My hair brown and black. My real hair. And some of my real hair.
But I traded some slime with my brother-in-law, which is my sister, you know, BF. But obviously that's why I said BF, Deja.
I said boo friend.
No, I heard what you said.
I said her boo friend.
Just hush. But anyway, I traded slime with my brother-in-law, which is my, you know, and
BF.
yeah, and he traded some slime with me, but I really didn't want to trade. But then I seen this, I was like, yeah, bring that over here. But the other videos that I was making with slime, that was the slime that I had, but I traded with him. But right now we're not really doing nothing. This video might just be lame because all we doing is like playing with it, because until we get like we can do something else with it, till we think of something else. But right now we're just doing this to occupy our time and just do something. But we're just playing with it. This is some really good slime, and by the way, he got it from Walmart,
and the brand of it slime,
and it's already made basically.
No,
It's Crayola.
No, it's crazy art.
Doesn't matter. It's Crayola. Crazy art.
But I have two friends here. The one on my left is my best friend, and yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe to Coco Queen's channel,
In my YouTube.
and I'll put her musically down in the description, and I'll put my musically down in the description. And I have a friend, just a friend. she don't have a musically. She don't have a.
I did have one, but
she had one, but she deleted it. But she also don't have a YouTube channel.
She's just blind. She has an Instagram, Zoe.
No. I deleted it. That's mommy. That's mommy's on right now.
Okay, so all we're doing is playing with it. Oh, I just thought of something. Wait, hold up. We're gonna see, since this is like bought slime, we should see who can make the biggest bubble.
Ooh.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to set the camera up. I can't take nobody serious, bro. But I'm gonna set this camera up somewhere to where you can see us making bubbles.
And then comment down below.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant to tell you. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Marcus and Lucas' channel. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Ace Family. Stop doing that, like serious. That's disrespectful.
Okay.
Make sure you guys go subscribe to Ace Family YouTube channel. And Perfect Laughs and Queen Asia, Spicy Mafia.
And the Dober Brothers.
I said that.
You said
the Dober Brothers, DJ Mob, AJ Mob, Peyton Squad, Peyton Kid, Pierre Sisters,
DJ Mob.
Dang, I don't know none of these YouTubers.
I would say Chris Sales, cause he kind of low.
Yeah.
No offense, but just help him out, low. Just help him out. Just help him out.
He just started.
No, I ain't finna talk about that. But just go subscribe to his channel. Just help him out a little. But go do a. I don't know who that is. Oh, Liza too.
Liza. Oh, it's nobody knows Cinderella. Cinderella.
So I'm gonna go set this camera up to where you guys can see us making the biggest bubble. I'm gonna just start now. It's just right. It's right. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but Should work.
Shit.
Woo! Why not? Okay. Oop. Oop, my butt. Oop. Oop. Okay. Oh!
That's a wrong example for y'all. For y'all slimes.
Oh, godly goodness gracious. So.
Anyway,
Huh? No.
Oh.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. That's a bad example for slimers.
Bad example for anybody with slime.
Yeah. That's what you call a slime person, a slimer.
You know, anybody who has slime and just got slime.
Yeah, that's a bad example. And in your hair.
That's a slime fail. I love a slime bad cake.
I'm gonna show you slime fails.
No. Because who gonna do that on their shirt? Obviously.
Anything else? I do. I am. I'm doing that.
I know. Get in that video.
Okay. Dad bought a new shirt.
I said that with a new shirt.
Okay. Don't do that. Don't do that. Watch your step. Watch your. Okay. So that was a bad example. But we might need more. To make. Hi. Oh, it was easy for me to. Let me see. I'm strong. Hush. Don't even. Stop. Move it.
No, I'm trying to. It's gonna fall. That's it.
J-Lo? No.
I'm gonna look through here for dirt. Oh, nope.
Why would you?
I see glitter. I see one speck of glitter.
Can I get a little piece?
That's what they just doing. I mean, somebody is doing.
Flipped in my face.
You're bad. Don't be so aggressive.
I'm not being.
You know me no aggressive. You know she was.
I didn't even get myself a piece.
Everybody tell you what else for.
So I didn't really move the camera. What I did was just
Push
scoot
it
it back. You know.
I'm pulling out here.
They still won't be able to see me.
All right.
Because
Gonna
you're
put
not
this to
putting
the
yours
side.
in. Oh, Deja said she wasn't gonna be in the video, remember?
I said I was gonna be in the video. You said you wasn't gonna be in the video.
No arguing in the Diamond Squad. So what we're gonna do? Put your slime in.
How?
By the way, she's kind of slow.
Don't tell people that.
So
I am not slow. I'm just funny.
no, I'm the funny one.
No, I'm the funny.
I'm the funny one.
I'm
You
the
don't.
funny one.
Shh.
I'm the one that keep things together.
And I'm the funny one. She the big mouth.
Thank you.
one.
No, I'm not the big mouth.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
You talk a whole lot of.
It.
You know how to talk trash, but you can't fight, Deja.
I can't fight.
No, Deja.
Ooh, world star. Just kidding.
That's how it be. I had to fight a 6th grader.
I don't know how to do this because, like,
Nobody knows. Right?
really, Mom?
The camera.
By the way, that's my mom. I got slime on my shirt once again.
Really?
Don't do what I do, okay?
It's not a lot.
No, it's not.
It's just out of this thing.
Yes. It's on my YouTube channel. So we're gonna.
What, now I'm not for you?
No. I'm just got stuff everywhere. Okay. I don't know how this.
Like this.
Okay, so here's the thing with me.
It was like this.
Yeah, it was like,
That's a nub. It could have got a nub.
look at my slime.
It's right there.
Oh, give me that.
It doesn't matter. Nobody gonna see it.
Okay.
A little bit.
You look like Robert when you smile.
No, she doesn't. Them
Yes, she
cheeks,
do.
No.
My cheeks puffier than Robert.
Okay, so
They puffy than
the thing is, I never had clear slime before,
me neither.
Me either.
so I don't know what a clear bubble's supposed to look like.
Like a normal bubble. Because you know how it be clear when you do the bubble in the white ones?
Stop, you little rascal.
What is it? Ooh.
You know what I meant, bro.
That's a cool design.
No, it's not. Keep your hands
It's cool
to
to
your
do
own slime.
It's cool to do stuff to Maya. It's very good.
It's amazing. It's hilarious.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are so harsh.
The guy, this is a sticky slime. Don't get this.
Crazy
Well, you
art.
can get this.
Get. I feel like I'm gonna melt.
Go
Like
ahead.
this slime? It is just not that serious. Yeah.
That's my fake laugh.
Yeah, so that means you fake.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't
We
fake.
caught you. You a fake snake.
You fake as a snake.
Oh, broke his joke.
Okay, I'm gonna bring a snake to school with me. Be like,
No,
say
let me
okay?
tell you. Remember, Fredley used to bring that green snake and scare me.
He scared me too. The living life
I used
out
to
of
be running out the class. Mr. Bell be like,
I used to be.
sit down. It's just fake. He used to go to
One
Mr. Darby.
And when I was in the bathroom and you wasn't in the class, you wasn't there.
I hate Fredley,
I
bro.
walked out
He
and
cool though. He a
I
cool
saw-
person.
I saw a big snake, but turned out it was fake.
It was Fredley. It was green,
I
right?
know. I screamed and I ran right back in that bathroom.
I hate Fredley sometimes. Like when he had, every time I say
That
something
was
rude to
when
him.
Isabel on.
Look, every time I say something rude to him, he like, I'm gonna go get that snake. I'm gonna go get that snake. And I say something rude here.
What, he
dig
have it in his
book
bag?
He had it in his book bag. But Mr. Bell took it from him and he
We
stole
used-
it back out her
We
drawer.
used to bring that book out. Mine used to be scared for no
Bruh.
reason.
I don't like creatures.
Dogs are creatures.
They ain't no creature.
They are.
They're all
Any
creatures.
animals are creatures.
No, you know what type of creatures I'm talking?
A close up. I gave them a close up.
Creatures are freaking bugs, roaches. Roaches I do not play with. Bad bugs, like ugh. Baby want to throw up. Get your little hands out the thing. They can't even see me.
They're not squishy. This how you.
She was like,
No, she was like this.
she was like this.
It kept sticking to her hand. So she had
Stop.
No, I was gonna give it up to you.
I'm finna go fix me some lemonade. Ooh, Deja, please stop. I am really making these.
She sound like a man. didn't
She's
she?
not, look, put your face in the camera, Deja. Put your face in the camera.
You don't even got
Put your face in the camera. Yes, Ma.
Sorry, in my phone.
No, I'm not taking that piece. I know what I'm
I
doing.
already gave it to you.
I can't get this much.
Get it. You little sneaky little beaky. I'm not playing with you.
Then why?
So why you playing with her?
Who look better, me or her?
You
Bruh.
saw that, man?
No. Let me move this slime.
Put it right here.
No, I'm good. I'm trying to steal.
It's on your arm.
No, it's not.
Do why you hook if you want to. I want to play with slime with nails on.
Oh, cool.
Let me see if
You want a cookie?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
You want a knuckle sandwich?
Huh?
You want a knuckle sandwich?
It'd be nice if I get one from Wendy's.
You
Stop
said you want a
playing.
knuckle sandwich. Stop touching stuff.
Stop touching
I've
stuff.
been touching
We
it.
know you didn't touch anything.
You're the closest person to it, so. This is not how it was. It was over some before you can see
No, it was
Yes,
not.
was.
If it be over, time still gonna slide.
Hey, I'm not a professional slimer like me.
Girl, you not no professional slut.
Professional.
Professional. How you say?
Professional slimer.
I
Professional.
had a green slime like this, but it was like liquidy. It's on my shirt.
Excuse me.
If you work one more time while I'm making the video, I swear I'm gonna put your head through this window.
Ooh. Great
And you gonna go right with the chair too.
She gonna push you outside and then take the slime away from you. That's what she means.
That song is part of the song.
And Joey.
Sneaky did it.
Ooh.
Miss Sneaky did it 3 times. You made the biggest one.
I ain't making a bubble.
By the way, we still playing that who can make the biggest
I
bubble.
made the smallest bubble.
8 and it's still up.
Hush!
That's what I'm
I'm not bossy. Don't think I'm bossy. I just like to play with people. I'm not bossy.
Don't play a thing like that.
No, Lena's the bossy one. 'Cause every time she
No,
say
she the
something-
mature one.
No, every time, yeah, she is. But every time she walk away, Maya be like, oh, I'm ready to go inside. Maya be like, no. And then he be like, give me the bike.
Yeah, that's bossy. And she be like, come inside. I'm like, that's how she be like, that's how I get my way.
When did I say that?
You said that yesterday.
Yeah.
I need to go outside and see somebody.
I know who that somebody is.
Hush. Ain't none of your business.
Oh, why you talking to your fan like that? Your
not,
subscriber.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to you.
It is in my business. I'm the one who told it.
Hush.
I'm gonna tell him again.
Go ahead. I don't care.
I'm gonna ask him
Just
if
know I'm
he
gonna be
knows
locked
your
up inside. What?
phone.
What you say? No, tell me what you said.
I'm gonna tell him that your phone is.
No, he's not.
My mom, Maya said she kicked him to the curb. She gonna give him back his ring.
I'm telling him that.
Who?
Them did.
Hush, they might know him. You so old.
Y'all might know him.
All subscribers live in this area.
Some of them do. Like my.
I think I got this on my bra.
I just want my cake.
Oh!
Oh, makes my front hurt.
No, you not.
Look at that little bubble. You watch it pop it.
They see my selfie.
They've seen it for a long time.
Maya didn't even know. She was like,
I'm
She
fat,
is.
bro. Don't.
I'm
tell.
going to cheerleading so, in Boys and Girls Club.
Don't tell nobody.
Tell everybody. That big old chunk, where it
You blind.
We can't poke it hard because like the pieces is
By the way, guys, after this video, I'm gonna go live.
like you said the first time.
I'm going live. Make sure you guys join my.
Live, Maya.
I said live. Just hush. But anyways, I'm about to end this video, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And remember what I said, go subscribe to all those people's channels that I said before. And make sure you guys go subscribe to Queen's Coco. And I'll put both of our music links down in the description below. Peace.